the ongoing controversial case of suspended Mayor Alice Guo. Senators conducted a closed-door executive session as part of their ongoing investigation into the mayor. Representatives of various agencies attended the session, including from the Anti-Money Laundering Council, or AMLAC. The session was closed-door to maintain the confidentiality of the testimonies of invited resource persons. After the session, Senator Risa Hontiveros said she and other senators became even more convinced that Guo is not a Filipino citizen. She adds that more of her fellow lawmakers now believe that it's time for a nationwide ban on pogos.
Ilang taon na itong problema ang mga pogos mula pa ng panahon ni Duterte. Ang dami-daming masasamang epektong dinulot. Napako yung mga pangako nung simula na na-excite ang iba na magdudulot daw ng economic gains. Di naman nangyari yun.
Although not invited, Guo in a statement maintains that she is not a protector of pogo. She also insisted that she has nothing to do with murder, prostitution, human trafficking, love scams, money laundering, or any cybercrimes.
Kasi may mga nakabinbin na batas, 'di ba? Sa Congress at saka sa Senate na pag-ban nga dito sa mga pogos.
Actually, panahon pa ni President Duterte, he already stated that he was against pogos. Hindi daw nila alam bakit hindi nagawa ng paraan.
No, may mga statement siya na actually supporting.
Oo, no, but bandang dulo.
Because nga daw maraming mga economic activities dito.
Inamin niya yun.
At maraming jobs opportunity.
Pero bandang dulo, he was already saying na sa nakikita niya, hindi na siguro worth it magkaroon ng ganito. Tapos yung morality daw ng mga Pilipino ay bumababa daw. He was on record saying that ng bandang dulo na nasunod-sunod na yung mga kidnapping, yung mga incidents.
Yung mga crime-related.
Crime-related, oo.
Ewan ko. Pero yun nga, to sinabi nga ni Senator Risa Hontiveros na wag na antayin sana nga yung batas at mag-declare na lang, 'di ba, sa National Security Council na national threat na ang pogo. Dahil itong sunod-sunod according nga sa
China nga ban, dito hindi.
Oo, 'di ba? According nga sa PAOK, sinabi ni Sir Winston Casio kanina, 4 pa lang sa 400 pogo sa tinitignan nila yung kanilang nasisilip na at na-raid. 400 Marami yan. Maraming